Joy B. Angkab. Vice President. Executive Secretary, Betis Gwen Taboteca. Executive Treasurer, Eric B. Aquino. Executive Auditor, Normally Balaw. Executive PIO, Jamsel Batokan. And Judge Stephen Catalino. And we have the representative by grade level. Grade 7, Shinaya Shady Grasha. And we have the grade 8, Hannah Rowie Bayo. And we have the grade 9, Leila May Aconia.
We were motivated to run for this position because we want to serve the students and contribute to a positive school environment.
Before you get to the National High School, I asked Ian Clark to his teacher running for teacher as his elder president for this upcoming school year 2026-2027. So my platform is very simple. It's advocating cleanliness. So wala, hindi kami magpa-fan sa akin, wala pa kami wala G5. So cleanliness naman ko. Cleanliness is everyone's responsibility. Organizing regularly clean-up drives to promote eco-friendly habits. So cleanliness is everyone's responsibility. So responsibilidad natin tanan nga maghilo sa Tibuok, Little National High School para i-decide tayo nga ang Little National High School is sugawan. So if elected, I will do my best to manage that issue. So dapat neat and clean ang ating environment because I believe when we focus this platform, we can make a better place. So dapat din may paghambog ng atong ispilahan, atong kinabuhan. So please vote wisely. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Angel Batukan and our group, Palalagnayan, is all about respect because most of the students right now didn't have the respect. Bisan pag maestra, bisan pag unsa na sila nila sa inyo ang kubangan, dili na mo kabalong respeto. So, we will train the students on how to respect like kanang parianang pag-good morning sa mga teachers din sa eskwelahan. Inyo na sila biyagian tapos inikuan po magtudlo kanang mag-discuss kay inyo sila tubag-tubagon ng patago tapos inyo
Kung naman ang mga announcement dito, sisiguraduhin ko po ang maparating sa inyo. So, if I win elected, sisiguraduhin ko po talagang mararating sa inyo kung naman ang mga aktibidad ito sa ating paaralan. Ako po ay, ang iyang question is, how can I manage or how can I balance my duty as a future SSLG or sa akong academic? So, ako ang kayon ana is kanang Brazil ako ba kay kanang banaman kanang di ba? Makano ko ninyo mag-apel ko ang mga school activities, daghan ko mga yapilas like di ba kanang banda, mga journalism or sa kanang mga anik-anik. So, murag na ano ako kagalingon murag ito siya kanang
So, I balance it with as my member na imo is with time management and introducing myself
The create is to establish an intramural sports program. So, mag-establish dito ng mga sports para sa mga estudyante, di ba, hindi kayo laay. You'll not focus ka once the game. So, dapat related sa atong mga classes. So, if I elected as a new SSW president, I will do my best to establish the sports program sa the whole Venture National High School para dili lang bitaw ka ng laayan kita para nakatay ganong eskwela for everyday eh. We have a games, we have mga activities sa school. So, mga to.
Support activities, mental health awareness programs, and inclusive events that encourage participation from all students.
Grade 7 na tingnan
Delgado,
sila kasi naman.
15. Sa Monteza, 15. Aquino, 16. Balao, 15. Thank you, Jel. Thank you, Jel. Kulang na lang kay grade 7. Nasa si Manang? Huwag ka naman. Ubay-ubay, dito ya ha. Tama yun. Laham ng choice.